In this short video, I'll show you how to download Haystack TV on your Samsung Smart TV. This is very easy. Like and subscribe to the channel if you find the video helpful. So if you want to download Haystack TV or install Haystack TV to your Samsung Smart TV, here's what you can do. Now on my Samsung Smart TV, here's what I do. What you have to first of all do is to try and locate your App Store on your Samsung Smart TV. Once you go to your App Store, you go over to it and launch it. So here's my App Store here. So I'll launch my App Store. Once I launch it, to save time, I'll go ahead to the search box. Once I go back to search, I'll go to search hashtag. Now that's the reason typing the right keyword. Once you come here, you're just going to type in hashtag. Remember, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once you come over here, just quickly type in hashtag and see if our Samsung Smart TV App Store can have the application. So to type in hashtag, you can go ahead and type in hashtag TV, but to save time, I'm just going to type in only this. And I click on go. Once you click go, here's what is going to happen. You can have the hashtag TV application. And you can download it by just click on it and you see the download button. So if you click on download there, the application is going to be downloaded to your Samsung Smart TV. Like and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you find it helpful.